need to start. There we go. It's Alexis. And there's me. We're about to go into the car wash. There's people. Oh. And
railroad crossing.
we like railroad crossing, man. It's a railroad crossing. So cool. Oh, look at that.
Disclaimer, our wash equipment is the highest quality service and we maintain it daily.
There's a train. Look at that guy. About to go into the car wash. There's Carl.
Here we go.
Here we go. Oh my
God, it's so exciting.
Look up.
I can't see. Look up.
Look, see, there's like green over there, and there's like red.
Look at your...
Wow, we're in a cloud full of...
Whoa, guys. Oh my god, look at my window. Oh my god.
Oh, that's so freaking awesome.
What if you had a heart attack in here? That would be horrible. Look at this. Oh, Alex, look.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Wow. Ooh,
I feel like
scary.
I'm getting attacked by an octopus.
We're getting attacked by an octopus. Oh my god, I can't breathe. Is this show going on YouTube?
I'm feeling anxious. Someone's saying... It's gonna attack me! It's attacking me!
Oh my god!
Go, get these, get these.
What?
Get this one. We're gonna get attacked.
We're gonna get attacked?
Bring it back.
Whoa!
There's too much going on.
We're in the car wash.
Well, guys, that was exciting.
Keep going.
But it's not over.
It's not over yet. How long is this thing? Pretty long.
That looks pretty cool.
And now, told you, it's like...
I didn't pay for the wax.
Oh my god, it's purple.
What happened?
Let's stop.
Why did you stop? I'm scared.
Because my phone went off. Guys,
Why did it stop?
Oh, he's coming to get us. The purple arm monster. Ooh.
It's purple.
Whoa!
Wow. Oh, we were stuck there for a second. Where are we? Like,
oh, look at the bag. It's purple.
it's so purple. I told you it's awesome because
That
it was
was
so
so
like tie-dye.
I was really scared there for a second.
Oh!
I didn't scare
I kind of
Here we go. In the dryer.
we're going out tonight.
It looks like...
It's like pebbles being like pieces of like pebbles that being thrown.
Oh, look up there. Wait, Alex. You have to watch up this.
Oh, just watch out.
Excuse me.
Going out tonight, feeling alright.
Like my window feels like...
It's shaking. It smells good in here. Do you
Go on
smell that?
green. Go on green.
Do you smell that? It smells fruity.
It smells like so.
And that's the end of our amazing adventure. Say bye, Lexi. Bye. Let's spray.